Hello everyone. In today's video we will be discussing the top 5 best beginner keyboards available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable beginner keyboard, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. 88 key weighted keyboard. With 88 key weighted hammer action keyboard, this digital piano provides a realistic playing experience that feels like playing on an acoustic piano. With MIDI connectivity, this digital piano offers tremendous versatility and flexibility in terms of recording, producing, and performing music. By seamlessly connecting to other MIDI devices or computer software, players can unlock a wealth of creative possibilities, allowing them to fully explore and realize their musical vision. This digital piano comes with a stand and pedal, so users can set it up easily and enjoy a complete playing experience right out of the box. Front Dream sound source with USCOM customization offers an exquisite and authentic piano-like sound quality, elevating your music experience to unparalleled heights. USCOM U305 unique apricot finish gives it a distinctive and attractive appearance that will look great in any home or performance space. Number 2. 88 key weighted digital piano. Immerse yourself in the exceptional sound quality delivered by our digital piano, powered by the renowned French Dream 5704 sound chip. The sound resonates with depth and emotion, creating a truly immersive musical experience. Choose from 8 distinct tones and explore a library of 40 demo songs that provide ample room for creativity and skill improvement. Take control of your music effortlessly. Switch between tones, enable dual tone mode, record your performances, and enjoy playback functionality. Customize your sound with reverb, chorus, and tempo settings, allowing you to tailor your music to your unique style. Unlock the full potential of your music with MIDI capabilities. Adjust key sensitivity and take control of external MIDI devices such as computers or MIDI equipment. This feature opens up new horizons for your musical creativity and expression. Experience convenience at your fingertips. Control the power and main volume with the power switch and volume knob, ensuring an effortless and intuitive user experience. The integrated MP3 player allows you to play, pause, and adjust the volume of your music directly from a USB device. Dual headphone jacks and a built-in USB port for MP3 or hard drive playback provide added versatility. Number 3. 88 key weighted action digital piano. Donner 88 key fully weighted action digital piano, precisely matching the finger strength changes, restore the true piano's finger strength, more stable and feel better. Test and adjust the details of timbre repeatedly, making the sound more realistic and excellent. Help you develop a keen ability to distinguish sound. Input and play MP3, built-in amplifier. DDP 188 key weighted keyboard piano support external sound or headphone to meet the needs of different occasions. Streamlined design. The DDP 100 electric piano's wooden cabinet with sliding key cover to protect the key. 128 polyphony. Donner DDP 100 digital piano have 1 pure tones sampled from real acoustic grand pianos. Guarantee the quality of your practice and performance. Just make your own music with Donner digital piano. Donner DDP 188 key full-size heavy hammer weighted key, which truly restores the real feel of the original piano, cultivates your interest in the piano, helps you train a good performance posture, and makes progress in the fastest time. Donner DDP 100 pure tone piano, using AWM sampling, more realistically restored the sound of the original grand piano, can effectively train the ability to distinguish sound. Whether you are on stage, room, you can play your favorite music through headphones and amplifier, immersed in the world of music. Number 4. Digital piano keyboard. Step into a world of musical enchantment with our 88 key weighted digital piano. Its symphony of 128 instrument tones spans from the timeless elegance of a grand piano to the cutting-edge allure of modern synth, inviting you to explore limitless musical dimensions. Elevate your melodies with the trio of pedals, mirroring the soulful dynamics of an acoustic piano. Each touch conjures a cascade of emotions, allowing you to infuse your performance with genuine sentiment. Elevate your artistry through 30 meticulously tailored demo exercises. Crafted to refine your prowess, these exercises are your musical mentor, guiding you towards mastery note by note. Choose from a treasure trove of 128 rhythmic patterns, breathing life into your compositions. From the elegance of classical beats to the pulse of contemporary rhythms, your creativity finds a rhythmical partner in crime. Our premium digital piano melds tradition and innovation in perfect harmony. Beyond an instrument, it's your canvas for sonic expression, an endless sea of inspiration where creativity knows no bounds, and captivating performances come to life. Number 5. Weighted Beginner Digital Piano. S600 digital piano is equipped with wood frame set and 3 pedals, which has a beautiful and generous appearance and shows the exquisite craftsmanship, so you can have the stage feeling at home. Digital piano has 238 tones and additional drum tones, covering a wide range of music styles, whether classical, pop or jazz. You can always find the right tone. Built-in 100 demonstration songs, 200 kinds of rhythms, 128 polyphony numbers, 3 kinds of reverb effects, which is convenient for learners to learn from and accelerate learning and progress. The digital piano supports keyboard splitting and demonstration song playing, metronome, transpose function, and also can play audio through USB interface, which meets the multiple needs of professional players and creators. The digital piano is equipped with 3 pedals and headphones, which make the playing more smooth and free, suitable for more usage scenarios. In addition, there is a keyboard split function that supports 2-player use for a richer experience.